I'm good.
Well, here, you ready to go?
Yep, I'm rolling right now.
All right, cool. So I can just lay back after that. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, Tommy Morris here with Tokyo Kuchon here from St. Clair Shores Civic Arena for the Grinder Hockey Tournament Championship here between the Battery in white and the Flames in red. The only team that has been undefeated so far. The Flames in red throughout this tournament. And again, just turning into the first moments here of the first period action from St. Clair Shores Civic Arena.
Looks like they're getting off to a great start here.
Let's see. Playing the boards, Roberts grabs it for the Battery. He'll take a look back to his defensive partner. It's Fan down there and intercepted. Out to the neutral zone. These kids are 8 years old and they move pretty well for 8-year-olds.
Yes, they do. Game starting off to a great start.
Gibson. Playing back along, 77. Where the Battery comes out. Oh, it hits the side of the net. Corralled there. And not out. Still kept in on the line. Roberts will go there, makes a little move around the man. Intercepted up and out. Early moments of the first period action here from St. Clair Shores Civic Arena. Helped in by the Flames. Hackett. And looking around, he tries to make a move up center. He's checked off the puck. It's kept in. Here it comes. Trying to make some move on this man. It comes right back out. Shot. Oh, hits a skate. Another shot. Right on, and that's clear. Back at there, pitched it out a long shift. That's misplayed. Schultz threw it out front to nobody. And Flames pick up the puck and head out. Little jump there, but Kim with the puck. Kim over the line. Kim. Two guys on him. Kim goes heavy into the end boards there. No penalty. He gets up. It's okay. The Battery will come out. Didn't get past Mink there. He stood up the Flames. But the lead offsides. Here's JB. Up through center. Oh, and I'm hit there at the blue line. Stood him right up. Little scramble play inside the line. Flames get the puck. They still a little tic-tac-toe there and finally out. There's a breakaway. Pushing a little too far ahead. Coming right and gets one shot. Oh, he scores! Just got through the stretch pad, and the Flames taking early 1-0 lead. Puck squirted out time in this championship. That could be a big first goal. You want to get off to a good start. At the line, Pennington, he gets it over to Hill. Hill with speed down the wing. Hill with a shot. That's deflected off to the side. A couple of up players spilling behind there. They're okay. Kept in at the line. Still not out. The Flames trying to regroup. 8:30 to go in the first period. Live from St. Clair Shores Civic Arena here. Tommy Morris and Tokyo Kuchon. Here with the play-by-play and the color commentary after. Again, the Grinder Hockey Tournament. These are 8-year-olds still playing here. Championship game.
Looking good. Who's your money on, son?
I don't have it on for you.
I think I'm going to go with the Flames. They look really strong.
Up in there. Shot that hits the body of the Battery. Two Battery players fly to each other. It's kept the net to line. Woodruff fires it to the corner. Johnson, the first one there for the Flames. Johnson could get around Pennington. Pennington checked off the puck. Little scramble play on the far boards. 3 players, 4 players, 5 players, and they're all battling for the puck. Who wants it? Battery come out from behind their own net with a head of steam with them. Let's clear it out through center and tip another race to the puck. Flames looking to come out with it. Skating past one person. Pass through the head of steam, upbands it. Comes over the line. Shot didn't get to the net. 2 players fall on the puck. It's still there loose. Ref lets the play go. Comes out front. The battery are there. Morse around us. Stay with the puck. Morse around 2 guys. Still kept the feet. Finally gets dumped. Comes to the line and a shot bounces in. Oh, and that would just miss the post from the point. 6:30 to go here in the first period. Score 1-0 Flames on an early goal. Flames undefeated through this whole tournament. Morris deflects it to Beatty. For the Roberts. Roberts gets dumped in along the boards. Cleared, but not out. And finally out to the neutral zone. Where the battery get the puck and will try to regroup. 6 minutes to go here in the first period. Morris. That's not Morris. That is Negation. These kids learning the fundamental plays here at this age. Learning how to stay spread out on here and to play good. That's good over the line. Pulls up, it's intercepted. Back, takes it. Still kept it at the line. A nice play. For the Flames, 2 players fall. Still kept in. Colin Moore taking off the puck by Rathel. Down the boards, kept in to the net. Has to be careful with that one as he leaves it for his defenseman. Moore plays it around to Roberts. Coming around. Oh no! Hits a skate in front, dangerously in front. And a play comes out. There's a 2-on-0. Jay Beatty over the line. Beatty coming. He comes right in. Beatty looking around. Pulls the goalie. Shot. Score!
Nice shot there.
And a nice move there. Beatty with the puck. And a couple guys with him decided he was just going to take it himself. And the game's tied up at 1. Big goal there. Going around the boards. They're battling in here on the near boards. Beatty, the goal scorer just a minute ago, comes up through center, checked off by 3 Flame players, but he gets the puck back to it. Beatty again out front. Goes a little too far and out. Colin Moore with the puck. Moore over to Beatty. Beatty will try to dump it in, get a change, and hit off his own skate. But he'll fire it to the line, or right to a Flames player. 3:55 in the first period left. From St. Clair Shores Civic Arena, if you just joined us, it is 1-1 here. Flames in red, Battery 3 in white. Neat. Dumps it in. Moore with the puck to the Battery. Moore on his man. He gets taken off of the boards. It's kept in at the line. There's 2 Flame players. A nice move. Coming right in. Shot! Oh, and a big stop there. Put that one in the books. Schultz. Throw it up to nobody. Kept in at the line. Didn't get through. Goes right to the Battery player. Shot. Flames Whipwell takes it. And that's corralled. It's Roley to the line but not out. And jump right back in behind the Battery net. Let's start off. Again, 3 minutes to go. Battery having trouble clearing the zone. Been kept in for a little while. Oh, and that one just squeaked out as Vanello plays it over to Johnson. And here's Johnson with the puck. Johnson looking around. Trying to get it to the net. It's blocked in front and taken there. Still couldn't get out. And finally, here comes the Battery with the puck. Petrickel with a shot right on, and the Flames goaltender will hold it for Haggard will hold it for a faceoff. So early key moments of the period here. What do you see, Tokyo?
I see the Flames seem like they really want this this game, but that was a great save by the goalie. Battery's doing well. It's tied, but I think there's a lot more to come. A lot more to come.
Face-off kept in the Flame zone. Where kept in at the line though. Play right out front, and oh, that was almost through. Correlder to line that out. Goes right to the net. Jumped right in at the side. Couple blacks at it, but kept out. Played it right in the crease, and the Flames finally clear the zone and out. 1 minute, 40 seconds to go here in the opening period from St. Clair Shores Civic Arena. The championship game here in the final. The Battery in white and the Flames in red. 3-on-1 if they hurry. Waited too long and offsides. You can catch all the action from this tournament, GrinderHockey.com. They set up great tournaments around the Midwest, and this is one of them here, called the Goblet. Two beaties on the ice there. We got Jay and Max. 3 and 15. Watch for the combination out there. And here's Johnson over the line for the Flames. A nice move, and oh, a nice poke check there. And a nice outlet pass. And the race is on. Painter takes a look at the net. Shot deflected. Never got to the goalie, Haggard. And the Flames trying to come out with it again. Flames. Methodically. Rathrow taking a look alone. Move over one player, but it's knocked right back out. And a little stumble step. Look out there. Taken down on the play. Box Sands just couldn't get through a couple guys, but it's still kept in. Kept in at the line by the Flames. Johnson will fire to the net. Calmly taken there by the Battery players. Poked it by Rathrow. It gets the rebound there. Rathrow around. One man to the net. A shot out and a big step there. Zeros will hold on for the play. We'll be right back with 16.5 seconds to go from St. Clair Shores Arena.
You can tell he's been doing this a long time.
It's tough not knowing the names. Look, trying to find that guy. Back to the action need with the draw for the Flames. Tipped back to him by Kim, but it was knocked out by the Battery player. So the line but not out, still good. Kim just couldn't keep it in at the line. Lloyd almost beat the Flame player to the puck, but Kim will grab it for the Flames and dump it right back in. And that'll be the end of the first period here with the score, Battery 3-1 and Detroit Flames 1. We'll be right back. All right. Underway here from St. Clair Shores Civic Arena. Tommy Morris, Tokyo Fushaw here from St. Clair Shores Civic Arena. Nice barn here. This used to be my barn back in the junior wing days here. I feel right at home here, Tokyo.
Yeah, you sound like you're right at home also.
First period as the Flames seem to take most of that action that period, eh?
Yes, sir. I think they really want it. They came ready today.
Flames the only unbeaten team
I see why.
in this tournament here. Mink. Mink tried to go around Colin Moore, defenseman. Moore takes his man out again in the corner, and the battery will try to start out, but poke check. And just dumped out. This will go for an icing all the way down the ice. And it'll bring the puck all the way back down. The keys to the game here, Tokyo. One team, you got to keep skating. That's number one, right?
Okay.
Some good passing and execution,
Yes.
and have to keep the puck out of your net.
Yes, sir. Look like the Flames have kind of mastered that. They seem like they're really hungry.
And the face-off to the right of the netminder Zeros for the Batteries. Refs square him off. A little movement there. Puck dropped in it. Almost went right on from the face-off. Gets the players in. Beatty couldn't corral it in the corner. A couple Flames there, smacking the puck around. Comes the Battery player, and they'll try to start out. He's poked up behind the net. And finally, they move it. Just gets out. A couple Battery players fall, and that was just could have been dangerous there as they had an odd man rush. And Beatty gets around his man. Beatty coming around there. Beatty scored the first goal for the Battery. Moore and Beatty in the corner. Poke check there, nice play. Still kept in. Round man, nice drag move. Backhand to the net. Hill gets right on there. Rebound. Oh, and Beatty just with the shot wide. Pennington tried to center it out front, but that's intercepted. A dangerous play right out front. Oh, and a big stop by Haggard. Hill right on the doorstep and another shot. And Haggard had to be tough on there. A little sloppy play in the Flame zone, and Haggard, the goalie, had to be right on top of the game. Makes a couple stops and keeps this game tied at 1. 10:03 to go here in the first period. Face off to the right of the netminder Haggard for the Flames. Up and off, and here's a break for the Flames. Odd man rushes, 3 Flames coming up. Oh, a shot late, look out! Oh, and a big, he got dumped there. There's no call on the play. The Roughs let it go. Big action, and now here comes the Battery right back out. A shot, oh, and a big stop by Haggard there as Roberts let one go. And Haggard with a big pick save to keep it a 1-goal game. Roberts again with a shot. Hits a couple skaters in front. They fight for it to the line, and Detmer plays it over to the far side. Hecka trying to get there and keep it in, and he couldn't get there. Flames have to regroup with 9:10 to go here in the first period. Up and down action, furious pace. Championship game on the line here in this Goblet tournament for 2019. Bechtel up to Roberts. Roberts coming out for the Battery. Roberts with the puck. Roberts makes a move around Wundman. Roberts, a nice move there. Roberts cuts to the slot on the backhand. Roberts with the play. Ran out of territory there, real estate. Still kept in. Gacy tries giving his own shot. Players scramble. The Flames get it and move it out. Scramble play. The refs are going to call that an icing. And it'll come all, oh, they waved it off. They said play it. They waved off the icing. And it's clear. Rogle. For the Flames, couldn't get it over to Weatherall. Little play, scramble play to Lucas, so the puck bounces out there. Nice poke check there. At the line by the Flames defenseman. And the Battery will fire it right back in and go chase it. Battery trying a line change or looking a little scrambly on the change. And the puck is cleared to center. Johnson, the first one there for the Flames, tries to make a move. He's poke checked at the line, right back out. The box stance just offsides as Johnson just could not get outside the line and the play whistled dead for a faceoff. 7:28 to go. We'll be right back. Welcome back to the action here. 1-1 game here. The Battery's been looking like a whole different team this period.
Yes, they are.
Maybe the ice is tilted that way.
A lot of intense action.
Jaden Beatty couldn't get around him, and a shot. Oh, and that's just wide. Squeezed out his man is Jaden Beatty. Couldn't get around Mink for the Flames. Mink makes a pass right out front and puts off Headington's skate and bounces to the Flames defenseman out and down the ice, but not far enough for an icing. Oh, and it will be, and it looks like they could have played that puck. The ref called the icing on that, and I probably wouldn't have called that, but hey, I'm not wearing the stripes. Maybe we should wear the stripes.
Maybe we should. I still think the Flames are going to take it.
I think so, eh?
Yeah.
Gonna be tough to call here. I don't know. It's looking, both teams looking good to this point. Face off to the left of Haggard, the netminder, and squirts through. Here's Hill with a shot. He couldn't get all of it on there. Goes in behind the Flames net. They're pitched in both on the boards there. Wrestling around. Puck comes out. Two Battery on the puck. Still left there in the corner. They're battling, wrestling, fighting for it, scratching tooth and claws for the puck. This championship game here. Right back to the crowd, but not out. Hill over to his defensive partner. Kept in at the line. Nice play there. Oh. Players scramble in there. Puck bounce off the Hill. Hill gets it to the net. Haggard. Well, it's in his pads. The refs are letting the play go. It's scrambled, and they finally blow the whistle dead. And a little question, Hill. Looking at the ref. The ref has a little words for Hill to give to the coach, apparently. Don't give me any lip there, little man. I have to go to school to wear this uniform, and I'm the boss out here.
But that couldn't be an ejection from the game, could it?
Well, if he started to mouth off enough, they could give him a penalty and kick him out.
Okay.
And you don't want to get kicked out in the championship game unless you drop the gloves and tear someone's helmet off.
Yes, yes.
But we don't encourage that here. We don't encourage it. Oh, it has been witnessed.
Okay. Duly noted.
Flames with the puck coming out. Johnson tries to move the rule around Detmer. Detmer stands up at the line, and Detmer will start the puck back. Detmer one-on-one. Detmer goes around outside the man. Detmer bounces on the stick. Detmer right in the shot. Haggard! Oh, Detmer!
Great play, great play.
All the way. Detmer all the way. And a big shot there as he made the play at the line. He stood up the Flames rushing, took the puck around his man, and put a snapper over the shoulder of Haggard to take a 2-1 lead for the Battery.
That's a great play.
And goal here halfway through this game. We'll see how the Flame respond.
I think they're going to take it.
The Flames. Woodruff, right in shot. Oh, that was out front, and Johnson just missed that one. Kept it right back out front and couldn't control that. Woodruff keeps it in for the Flames. Moore. Oh, that's deflected out front, and Siros will hold that for the Battery for a faceoff. 4:42 to go here. Battery 3. Battery number 3, I should say, so we're going to be confused on the score. Battery number 3 with a 2-1 lead here off the Flames. Bechtold wins the draw. Will take it back behind his own net. Taking a look around. Comes out. Taking a look. He almost came out through center. Realized that's not a good idea. Takes it to the sideboard. And just out. And there's a rush at 2-on-1. Roberts with the puck. Roberts looking around. Roberts with a shot. And Haggard steers that to the side. Stay back! 9, Kirby Rayner. Couldn't get past his man. It's still kept in. Oh, it just squeaks out. And the Flames come up. Neeb, a nice move. Neeb coming in. Neeb to the slot. Neeb takes a shot. Oh, and a big stop there by Saros. Neeb with the rush. Nice move around his person. Took that quick shot. And Saros had to be careful on that. And Roberts with the puck. Plays it to Stultz, who dumps it farther. Bechtel with the shot. Hits a leg out front. Roberts would be the first one there. Hits a decal right there. Oh, and that one's just wide. It's the first one to the puck. They cleared up on the board. Still battling in the corner. Woodruff there for the Flames. Woodruff just bullies the man. Takes the puck right around. Ran his floor checker right over and comes out with the puck. Woodruff gets poke checked there. Kept in. Here's a shot. Haggard has to be still that rebound. It's scrambled for. Stultz turns around and going there. Kept it at the line. The Flames trying to get it out. Broglin with the puck. Broglin for the Flames. Broglin still trying to chip it past. It'll come out. And now they have to regroup. 2:57 to go here in the second period. 2-1. Woodruff around a couple players. Woodruff on a long shift. Gets around. Chips it to the net. Right out front. A rebound. Oh, and just could not take advantage of that open net. Neeb, a nice move there at the line. Neeb hits his own player and shot. Broglin hits a skate that goes to the corner. Both teams try to get a change. 2:30 to go in the first. Battery number 3 with the puck. Coming out over the line. Taking a look around another man. Up through center. Up to another man. Finally ran out of real estate. Poke check down there. The Flames will come out with it and dump it down the ice. This will go for an icing. And with 2:09 to go here in the second period, we will take a quick break. 2-1, the battery number 3 leading the Detroit Flames. We'll be right back. And welcome back to the action. Face off to the left of the Flame netminder. Won by the Flames. Mucked her out on the near boards, kept it at the line. Johnson didn't see his check coming. Still kept in at the line. He battled there. Around the end boards, hitting legs, hitting everything, and finally bounces out. And Headington hits Max Beatty with the puck. Weatherall for the Flames puts it right in front. Oh, and a big back check there. As I tell you, he had a Beatty with a nice play to tie his man up, preventing from a shot on net. Flames keep it in. Put out front. Diving play at the line, but not kept in. 2-on-1. Patricia couldn't get it to Beatty on the play, but he comes right back to him, hits a leg. Kept in by the battery. Right out front here. There's a shot. Oh! And Max Beatty hits his pad out front and bounces all the way out through center. Less than a minute to go here in the second period. Here comes a Hager. Got to be careful. Stared to the side. Flames trying to get the puck out. Battle at the blue line. The battery keep it in. Max Beatty to Headington. Headington with the line. Headington. Shot. Rebound. Up front. They battle for it. Oh, it's knocked to the side. And that was almost put in on a nice play. By Headington. But Detmer throws it back in behind the Flame net with 15 seconds to go in the second period. Still can't get it out. Bounces to the front, and this should eat up the rest of the second period with the Flames down by 1. A 2-1 spirited affair here. And keys to that period, where it must be the ice tilt, a whole different period than that first one.
Yes, it was. Yeah, I think the Battery just came to play. I guess after that sweet save they had, I guess that just gave them more incentive to put the boosters on, as you said.
And that could end up making a whole difference. That's why goaltending is so important in this game. It just takes, you may only have, a couple shots on you during the game, but that one big stop on a breakaway or when it's right in front of you and the goalie makes a stop to keep your team in close, it can really jumpstart another team. And I think that may be the case. We'll see if that happens in the Flames this period.
Yeah.
What do you think the Flames have to do this period to get back on track that they did for the first?
I think they need to focus at where they did the first time when they first got here. They seemed a little hungry. Still my team. I'm still rooting for them. But I think they just need to focus, take their time, set up what they did as they did in the first half, and I think they can pull it.
And I think the same goes for the Battery 3. I think they have to keep doing what they're doing. They were forechecking hard, and they may have figured out a way to keep that Flames attack.
I agree.
When you start out 5-0 in a tournament, it can be very, intimidating when you face a team that's undefeated. You're thinking, holy smokes, until you figure them out a little bit.
And this is the championship.
This is the championship game, and we have a whole 15 minutes to go here, and we'll see how it plays off as Woodworth for the Flames goes back and starts out the rush. Or the Flames turns it back behind the zone and just boss his way, but kept in. Boehner out front, a shot, Bechtel, another shot. That one was just wide. Oh, there's a trip behind the play, not called. The refs are letting him play here. And that one just squirts out. Meade couldn't get around Roberts. Roberts again knocks it back towards the Flame line. And right to a Battery is Kirby with it over to Roberts. Roberts comes in. Roberts around that. Roberts looking over to Kirby out front. Oh, just on the backhand, and Kirby couldn't get a handle on it, but it goes right to the line and Hackett. To the net. That bounces just wide. Flames the first person back. He throws it right out front. Not a very, very good play there. I'm sure the coach will point that out. Still kept in at the line. No foul, no harm, but Roberts grabs it for the Battery. Roberts around the outside. Roberts to the net. Bounces off the Flame defenseman's skate. They'll throw it up on the boards there. And still can't get it out. Oh, first period action here. Out front by himself with a shot. Oh, and Kirby stoned by Hackett.
Nice save.
Kirby with the puck again. Kirby to the slot. Bunch of players there. Puck is still loose. They're still looking for it. Dug out on a backhand shot. In behind the Flames net, Woodruff there with the puck. Woodruff tries to reverse the field, throws it out and down the ice, and that play will go far enough back for an icing. There's a race for it. Pull up, nice play there. Shot. Oh, and fired it just over the top of the net. I think Neve had a little time there, had a man in front, didn't see him there, but good shot fired over the outstretched hand of Zerois. There's a play. Roberts with the puck over to Kirby. Oh, and just called offsides at the line as Kirby was just inside the blue line before the puck went over. And if not, there was a breakaway chance there. Oh, holy smokes. So close. 12:46 to go here in the third period here. That's championship extravaganza. Brought in by the Battery. Hill splits the D. Hill right in. Hill barrels into Hackett. Net is still off. The refs don't see it. Play goes on. Comes to the line. Jumped into the corner. Flame the first person there. Nice play kept in at the line by Moore. Poke check though. And out. 12 minutes to go here in the third period. Battery with the puck. Whoa. Nice move. There comes Brockstance with the puck. Brockstance right in. Brockstance shoots. Score! Oh, a nice move.
Score!
Brockstance down the wing. A move around the defenseman. Pulls Zerois, the goalie. Dumps it in and makes it 2-2. A a little how-do-you-do play there. Nice individual effort by Box Dance, and just like that, the Flames tied at 2. Big goal. 11:41 to go here in the third. And here's the break for Beatty. Jaden Beatty all by himself. Beatty takes a look. Beatty with a fake shot to the backhand. Oh, he couldn't pull the trigger on it. Oh, and he had Haggard pulled out of the net, but just could not get a handle on that backhand. It remains at 2. To the line and out. And here's and Mink pulls it over to Need. Mink keeps it in at the line. Mink dumps it in behind the Battery net. Fullenkamp dumped in along the far boards to the line, but not out. Both players scramble there. Still kept it at the line by the Flames. Patricia can't get a handle on it, and here comes Minks with it. Minks looking around. Minks. But nice play by Patricia, who'll knock it up on the boards, and that is just out. Bonello played it at the line, still keeps it there. And the Flames dump it to the line, but that'll be it, and right back out. 10:15 to go here in the latter period. All game tied at 2. All game tied at 2, and I'm spitting out my words wrong here.
I guess it's all the excitement from the game.
Excitement. Who cannot be excited with this up and down action? 2-2 game championship. Both goalies have had to be stupendous here. Heavy forecheck. And that's just out. Woodruff hits a leg. Bechtel with the puck. Bechtel dumps it into the far corner. And play it out. Team's not taking any chances. As soon as it gets in that line, they're just slapping it back down the ice. But here's the big man Woodruff with the puck. Poke check there at the line. Too far for G. Beatty. The Battery will get a change, and that play will go for an icing. And all the way back down the ice with 9:09 to go here in the third period and game tied at 2. And we'll be right back after this message from our sponsor. We welcome you back to this fine St. Clair Shores beautiful house here in Civic Arena in St. Clair Shores, Michigan. Face off to the right of Ceros, lost on the draw, hits a couple bodies in front, comes to the netminder, it's poked to the line and out. And that'll be all the way back down again for the face-off with 8:56 to go. Face off to the left of the net by the Ceros. Won by the Battery to the line, but not out. Box Dance, who had a beautiful goal earlier, keeps it at the line. Hits the defenseman, he couldn't keep it in and out. And here's Bechtel with the puck. Bechtel, got to be dangerous. Takes a look and bounces in. Didn't get all the way through, gets his own rebound. Shot blocked by the Flames. Netminder becomes a Kirby. Over to Roberts. Roberts pulls in over the sideboards. Roberts looks around, back to the point. Hackett couldn't get it to that man and out front, and here comes Minks with the puck. Minks shoveled it a little too far ahead for Neeb, who was streaking up through center, and Roberts will gain it for the Battery, and out. Oh, play just kept there by Box Dance. For the Flames, it's lost in the skates. Roberts for the Battery will knock it back out down the ice. Flames defenseman Skolosis is there and knocks it back out to center where it's regrouped. And Rayner will come up. I keep saying Kirby, it was Rayner. And here's a race for him. There's Moore with it. Moore around Hackett, he gets dumped. And Moore's looking for the penalty. And Moore's going to get the penalty. And there's a trip there on the play. And the Flames will go on a power play with 7:33 left in the third period here. And Hackett for the Battery was chasing down Moore and felt that, I had to dive to stop the goal. Moore was coming down that wing, and 2 minutes for tripping. Face off to the left of Cyril, the Battery netminder, and the Flames start their power play. Extra man advantage here. That's a shot right out front. Cyril's rebound for the Moore, and he couldn't get a handle on it. And the Battery will get the puck. And Hill leading the rush. Hill's short-handed. Hill over the line. Hill will put it in on the Hackett, the netminder. Not a bad play as forces the netminder Hackett to fall on the puck and creates a face-off all the way down next to the Flame netminder. Not a bad play when you're short-handed. Flames got to go all the way back down that ice if they get the puck back on that power play. 2-2 here. Flames will just clear it out, and it's going all the way down the ice for a face-off. All the way back down the ice. Boy, I tell you what, that's a way to kill off a power play, huh?
Oh, yeah.
One put it on the goalie for a face-off. Next one, you fire it all the way down the ice on an icy, which is not a very good move. And
yeah, right now it's anyone's game, but this is the championships, and looks like both teams came to play.
Face-off to the right of the goalie Hackett here, who's been fabulous here. As Tokyo has said, both goalies been stupendous throughout this tournament, and especially in this game. Battling along the boards. Kept in at the line, the Battery hitting the Flames in their own zone, who are on the power play. A minute to go in the power play, and Woodruff will start off, clears it up, and down the ice again, and there's a race for it. Patricia, the first one there. Patricia to the line. Woodruff keeps it in, dumps it back in. Patricia for the batter will fire it back up the boards. And Gacy gets it to the line and out. Offsides as Kim did not come back outside the blue line before the puck went in, and therefore it was an offsides. 6:07 to go here. Game all tied up at 2. Flames with 34 seconds to go on a power play that hasn't produced anything as of right now, but they've had 34 seconds with the man advantage. Mink with the puck. Mink will dump it to the Battery player. They'll get it to the line, but not out. Still kept in there, battling on the blue lines. Woodruff for the defenseman for the Flames keeps it in the knee. Knee with a shot. That one just wide to the far side. A battle there to the line, not out. Flames dump it back in. Patricia will go back for it. Trying to get his round his man. Comes it to Woodruff. Woodruff hits a leg, but bounces right back. Woodruff to the net again, but hits Patricia with it. Patricia will jump it off the glass. Not far enough. Still kept in. Johnson comes out of a crowd. Johnson with it. Oh, right back out front. A shot. Oh, what a glorious save. Oh, Serios. What a
nice save
there. A glorious opportunity. Comes to the center. Kept it at the line. Didn't go far enough. Both players battling along the board. Power play is over. Both teams at full strength. 5:50 to go in the third. Game all tied at 2. What will happen? Woodruff with the puck. Woodruff in behind the Battery net. Now they're having trouble getting it out. Rector with the puck, still kept in. Oh, and it just hits the Flames player and bounces indirectly into the bench, and it'll be stopped for a play with 4:40 to go here in the third. What an opportunity that last play.
Yes, it was. That's a great save, though, too.
Collision there. Regroup. Hackett couldn't get it out on a pass. Kept in by Matrella. Big hit there to save right on as both players collide. And Ciros had to steer that to the corner. 4:20 to go. A pass up through center. Hector looking with the pass. Coming in around his man. Hector with the puck. Pulls up. Nice move there. Shot right on Hackett and Hill. Oh, he got away from him. Roberts with the puck, and the Flames will come out with it though. To the line, not out, kept in. Shoveled towards the player, Roberts. For the battery will be there. Roberts pulls up there. Loses the puck, and Johnson will knock it out for the Flames and out. Roglin couldn't get the puck for the Flames, and Bechtel will come in. Bechtel to Roberts. Roberts trying to make a move. Nobody there but Flames. Run into a couple players, and both teams kind of standing around looking tired at this point. 3:30 to go here in the third. Roberts corrals it. Roberts around one man. Roberts gets back checked. Still in the line, kept in. Hackett with the puck. Hackett takes a look around. Hackett still with the puck. Hackett, a nice pass. Hill, right in to the backhand, fan on it. Still with the puck. Hill looking around. Out to Roberts. Roberts takes a look. Roberts around, dancing around. Roberts with it. Roberts looking. Throws it in behind the Flames net. Hackett out front. Bounces out for the shot. They score! Hill there with the puck. The play bounces there. Hill is right there and deposits past the outstretched Hackett. And with 2:59 to go in the third, the battery number 3 take a 3-2 lead. Tokyo, that puck was bouncing around, and you never know, just bounced right out in front, and Johnny on the spot.
Yes, he did. He got a great score.
Ronan Hill, Johnny on the spot, and makes it a 3-2 lead, and now it puts all the pressure on the Flames. We'll see how intense Woodruff back there. Woodruff with the puck. Woodruff lead the rush. Woodruff up on the boards. Woodruff gets it out, and there's a 2-on-1 rush. There's Need with the puck. Need right on, and and he had more out front and didn't see him. Kept in at the line. A battle of players there. Flames desperate for a goal. 2:28 to go. And there comes Hill all the way down by himself. Coming down, and a big back check by Woodruff. Flames looking for anything right now, desperation. 2:10 to go here. Flames come out with the puck. Need with it. Need squeezing around the defenseman. Need looking around. Need got some help. Need with a shot. Kept in there. Looking around. Bouncing out front, and Woodruff couldn't keep it in. And here comes the battery with it. Here comes Headington with the puck. Headington. Headington. Shot. And a glorious stop. Hanging in another one on a rebound, and Hackett keeps his game preserved.
Great save.
144 to keep it preserved in a 3-2 game here. Refs hustle him up. And the refs are timeout called on the play. They get a timeout here. Both coaches going to regroup here, and there is an opportunity that they could pull the goalie, Tokyo, for an extra attacker when it comes to a last minute. If they're still behind, they pull the goalie, get an extra attacker on the ice, and the net remains empty, but at least get an extra attacker out there if the Flames need it. They need it.
Yeah, I think that's why the coaches called them in, regroup, start with a new strategy. That last goal was a pretty big one.
And we have a couple more games coming up for you this afternoon. And we'll be here for all the celebration after. Big face-off here for the Flames. And one. Still in the dot. Bounces out. And Woodruff with the puck. Woodruff, a nice move there. Woodruff streaking down the line. Woodruff, the big end. Oh, and a back check there. He gets away with one. No call on a play and out. Box stance. And offside. As Mink lost where he was on the play. Didn't get outside the blue line and didn't realize he didn't get outside the blue line. And kind of get lost up in the action there a little bit.
Yeah.
That's what kids do at 8 years old.
They're saying that this is the championship.
Yeah.
That would happen.
You know it. Not a bad play deep. A minute 10 to go here. Nice pass up there. Nice move. They're looking to get the puck out. Kept it at the line. The Flames chance right here. Kept it at the line. Here's Lee with a shot. A couple bodies. That's just past the open net. Heckett will be there for the battery. Goes up on the boards and Bechtel there. And he gets the play back and coming down the wing. Bechtel all by himself. Bechtel a shot. Misses the Nepo Roberts there in the corner. The battery keep it in deep. Comes all the way up to the line. The puck gets out. And nobody there but Johnson. There's Johnson with the puck. Johnson with two battery players. Oh, and Bechtel with a nice play. Bechtel takes the puck and says, you know what, I'm going end to end here. All the way down. Bechtel with a pass. Oh, and he made a nice play. Passed it over. And that one's just wide. 14 seconds to go. Another shot. He scores! Roberts, that will seal the deal. They finally turn the lights on here. And that will seal the deal for the Battery 3 with 10.9 seconds to go in this hockey game. Exciting game.
Yes. This is the championship.
So finally turn the lights on here at St. Clair Shores Arena. Everybody can see now.
So maybe that'll make a difference.
10 seconds, it won't make a difference now. Both teams spirited here, and we'll just hope that sportsmanship will prevail. No one will axe anyone over the head with a stick.
I know that's right.
But there's a line. One team leaves here happy. One team leaves here dejected, but both teams should be feeling good about themselves for a spirited weekend.
Yes, that was a very good game. Very intense.
And we'll be right back for the medal celebration here from St. Clair Shores Civic Arena with the final score. The Battery number 3-4 and the Detroit Flames 2. Tommy Morris and Tokyo Fashan here with the game action. And keys of the game for you, Tokyo. The keys to the game. What were the keys of the game for you?
Oh man, I like the saves. The saves were the best part. They take them right there. You think they're gonna get it, and then Goldie saved it. That was my highlight.
And both teams will get the medals, of course. I believe you'll see the sportsmanship. I know a couple of they're going to look dejected, but hey, listen, they get the medals. And both teams will shake hands.
Okay, I'm gonna try to see if I can get a bird's eye medal ceremony.
Okay, we're going to break down, take everything in the other arena. That's no. I think his is. No, that's tough with the bad. Yeah, it's tough with the. I'm trying to look down at these names. You know, it's tough to do for a while until the third period. Okay, so we got the next game's at. Well, I gotta check. 12:30, 8:30. But they're both over there.
There's a solid more solid connection over there much better, but it isn't. I use my phone with the hotspot.
Did you?
Yeah. Even though I can't switch back and forth, the one looks good, the other one looks, degraded.
I'm gonna have to see. I can plug in right here. Go live. I'm right to that live bar feed. So that's got to be the Wi-Fi here. It plugs right here.
Okay.
You should try it. You got an Ethernet?
No. Like I said, I was using my phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Maybe we can't get the whole game. Maybe we get last time we get the highlights.
Well, I want to. This is the.
And like I said, this camera got the whole game.
Yeah. I mean, that's right. You just play around with the other stuff. Yeah, I mean, just get ready for it.
This had sound, so this keeps me not listening.
No, I didn't do any of that.
Okay.
That's got the sound on it.
Let's hope this sounds good. I'll find out in like.
No, I didn't do any sound with that. They're waving to mom and dad and the crowd. I should be loud enough where I probably would pick me up on the sound.
I'm thinking so too. All right, I'm gonna cut. We're good here.